Welcome back to Unpacking. This video shows the build of a simple outhouse or off-grid toilet cabin. This is the first part of a two-part video and it focuses on the cabin build. The second part coming out next week will focus on the toilet system. I'll make minimum commentary throughout the video, so just sit back, relax, engage if you will, but most importantly, enjoy the video. Whilst I'm preparing the site, Lead went to get our cabin kit. Once again we went with Stilla, easy to build and within our budget. This is the Windsor model, 4x6 feet. Stilla offered us a discount on this model, and we couldn't be more grateful. With no building experience and considering the price of raw material, this is the best option that we found to set up a little cabin site. We also use Stilla for the main cabin. Check out that video if you haven't done so already. Viens bébé. Ok, ça c'est les joists, ouais, je pense que c'est ça. Donc c'est les 100 mm. Roger, clear. In this case, because we wanted the light to go through the middle of the roof, and it looked better without the rafter in the middle, I did a very slight modification of the structure, no biggie. All in all, the instructions from Stilla are quite straightforward. I do still double check that the size of the screws that I am using are the right ones before drilling them in. But the entire build for this small cabin can pretty much be a solo one-man job. I could have probably built it up in a couple of days, including the site work, but I ended up spreading the time over 3 or 4 days, spending a bit of time with the family over the Easter holidays. I gotta say, the stairs being a custom addition with no clear instructions were probably the most challenging to assemble, especially in the rain and the mud. But where there is a will, there is a way. Well, it took me a few days on and off, but I'm quite pleased with the results. Let me know what you think in comments, if you think I should have tackled any of it differently. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is part 1 of a 2-part video. Next week, I'll focus on the actual toilet system. For the toilet, we purchased a tiny home composting system from a company called Greenloo, but more on this next time. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, put a thumbs up and please subscribe if you don't want to miss the full build. Until next time.